Hey, welcome to the Mod Shop. I took on a project the other day. Somebody gave me a lawnmower. I thought I would give it a try, see if I could make it run. It's been a struggle. I haven't had a lot of luck figuring it all out, but I just discovered what was wrong. So I did a ton of research on the internet and I couldn't find anything. One person mentioned that there's a possibility that the keyway has sheared off and that's why it's backfiring through the carburetor. So I just figured it out. So I'm going to let people know what it is so that maybe if they have the same kind of problems, they don't have to go through quite all the hassle that I went through to figure out what was going on. Be back with you in a second. Okay, so what I got here is a 20 horsepower Kohler motor out of one of these front mount mower Toro deals. And like I said, it didn't start. Backfiring through the carburetor was driving me crazy. It's got lots of spark, it had lots of compression, it had everything. It just seemed to be timing. But nobody could tell me that it wasn't something that you could time. So anyways, I did a little bit more research and one person mentioned there's a possibility of the flywheel key. So I finally got it all apart this morning and hey, look at this. There is a sliver of flywheel key and there's the rest of it stuck in the block. All right. So, or in the block, in the crankshaft, sorry. Anyways, I didn't want to make this a great big long video about taking it apart. You can figure out how to take it apart yourself. I just wanted to show somebody what's a possibility of what could have happened. And hey, look at that. If it runs, I'll come back to you and I'll show you what I got going on. All right, so I put the motor back in and we're about to do a cold start, find out if it actually runs. Let's see if this old pile of crap actually does something. Let's see. Okay, so I kind of primed the fuel up a little bit, poured a little bit down with the throat of the carburetor. It's not bolted in at all yet. It's actually just sort of sitting there almost free. It's got just one bolt, just the one that I used for the ground wire for the battery. And I just got my battery jumper box hooked up to it, so I don't know. Hopefully it'll start, because I think I'm freaking stoked if it does. Free lawnmower, gotta like it. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Let's give her a full choke. A little bit of throttle. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Even idle. Take it off. Forward. There we are. She's good. Hopefully this helps somebody else out, because I can tell you that it was a pain in my ass for about 3 days. Alright, talk to you later.